All right, we're about to bring in a bird that likes ladies more than guys. So the Birdman's going to bring it in, and we're going to see what happens.
Right.
Well, I saw a flash of it went by with the Birdman in tow.
Come on, Reiki. All right. Okay. Let's close this. Yeah, you stand right there till I'll cue you. Okay. Are we ready?
And action.
This is Reiki. Reiki is a rose-breasted cockatoo, also called the Galah, native to Australia. And this is another species of cockatoo. I mentioned earlier, these are shot and killed by the thousands. Shot or poisoned, getting into farmers' fields where they're growing grain for livestock or crops for human consumption. But these guys get into grain fields and just rip open the bags of grain. And they're a very desired bird in aviculture for people to have in captivity. So this is the ultimate example I'm going to share with you of how this bird loves me, he's okay with me, but this bird really loves women. Really loves human females, and you're going to see that right now. My assistant Julia is going to come in here, and you're going to notice a distinct difference in this bird's behavior. Could you please close that door? Thank you. Okay, notice the difference here. Come over here, Julia.
Hey, Reiki. Hey, Reiki. Reiki.
That's true love right there. You notice that crest goes up higher. You may hear some little cooing sounds. And when she says beak, he'll give her a kiss.
Give me a kiss. Beak. Give me a kiss.
So this is an example of how you don't always choose the bird chooses you. Some birds prefer men over women, some prefer women over men, and it doesn't have anything to do with the gender of the bird.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes, that's so nice. Oh,
but
yes.
this is true love you're seeing here between Bird and
Oh, yes.
Julia.
Oh, okay.
So any woman that comes over to visit me and see the birds, when Reiki sees them, this bird's just like, I love you, and
What are you doing?
I've lost my bird.
It's different.
He'd rather be with her than with me. But that's okay.
Oh, yes, this is so nice.
And he'll stay on her all day. He'll try to climb up her face.
Oh, what's you doing?
Just is all love.
What's you doing?
This is actually one of the softest birds I've ever felt. As far as the feathers go, so smooth on these feathers. Now, if I try to get this bird off of her, this bird doesn't want anything to do with me. You better just stay on her. If there's no female around, the bird will interact with me more, but not the kind of love you see him do with a female. Not expressing this love.
What's you doing? Oh, Reiki. Oh, yes. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, yeah. Nice. Nice.
We could try and get some pictures of him on a perch. I don't know if he'll stay on a perch, but what I need to do is have you maybe move, Julia, move back over to the